Hello, good morning. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So anything, any doubt regarding the courses or the any topic? If you don't have, then I will give some instruction. Okay, for carrying more marks. Okay, you think. Suppose any a problem. So some instruction. Yeah, on which date you have exam on CPD of CPD? CPD के एग्जाम
24th,
कौन सा
sir.
तारीख में है?
24th.
24th. Timing 10:30 or 11.
11 to 12:30. Like we haven't got any official confirmation, sir. But last
That is
time on
different.
12:30.
So from 11 a.m. So number one, after getting the question paper, your first task is to write down the data given in the questions. So that will easy your understanding which data is missing, not given, you have calculated, or by which data that is given. So write down data given. Okay, suppose the pressure of a pressure vessel is given, write down it, P equal to or Pi equal to this. If the radius is given, write down the radius is like this. Okay, the constant value is given and the allowable stage value. So some data will be given to write down one by one clearly. And you also write down what is to be calculated or estimated. Suppose the thickness. Now the problem is now clear. Okay. Then second is that if possible, or depending on the particular problem, try to draw the schematic. Okay, not schematic, a rough diagram. A rough diagram. Suppose a pressure vessel is given. So you write down, you draw like this. Sorry. Okay, you do the axis. Okay, P equal to 100 kg per centimeter square. Suppose. Okay, and like that. If it is a problem of the support means only skirt support, then you can draw the skirt support also. Okay, so this is the skirt support design. It is the basement, like that, a rough figure or diagram. Then the next is the if necessary or required, mention the assumption, a realistic assumption, not arbitrary. Okay, mention the assumptions clearly. Number 4, in every this instruction is also applicable for the AHT student, advanced heat transfer. So in every step of calculation, okay, write the unit. Suppose you need to calculate the thickness of a pressure vessel. So to reaching the value of the thickness, you have some part calculation. Suppose you have to find at first the bending moment due to weight. So in that calculation, you have to mention the units. Then bending moment due to the seismic load. Write down the unit for that final expression. You have to find the dead weight. So after finding the dead weight, you write the unit. So in every part, you mention the unit. And then the last is that suppose there is a calculations which involves different several multiplication, addition, okay, like that. So do it stepwise. Do not write or do not type all the terms in your calculator and get the final answer. It may increase the chances of error. So do the calculation do the calculation partly not in a single step. Okay, so if you do it partly, suppose there is a term uh, 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.85 minus, suppose I'm telling you that the 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 300 into 0.85 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus something like that. So you get the value of this part passed, then this. Okay, so this plus this, and you add it like this. So make it part. Otherwise, I saw. So you want to type all the values in your formula, okay, in the calculator, and get an anonymous value. And so to avoid that, do it like this. And after the final value, you must mention the unit. So these are the common instructions. Okay, nothing here. And more importantly, do not copy from others. If you do this and if I can identify, okay, then I will deduct or give 0 marks to both of them. So whatever you can do it yourself. Okay, do not copy. And the time, okay, it is a 1.5 hour, so the you will get the maximum time. Okay, so I will set the question paper such a way you will have extra time. Okay, it can be complete before 10 to 15 minutes if you know the process how to solve. Okay, so do not copy from others. This is the most important. Whatever you can, you do it. And nothing OD about the question paper. It will come from your syllabus. So don't get panic. What I have covered, you see that, and the related topic, related problem from any standard book. That's all. So anything you want to ask? Anybody?
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
So like earlier you mentioned that when we got some final value of thickness, then we have to mention the nearest value in the standard unit, the standard chart.
Yes,
So
yes,
can
yes,
you
yes,
please
yes.
share that chart with us? We don't have
Okay, I'm telling again. Don't worry.
yes, sir.
Don't worry. Okay. So suppose your value of thickness comes around 3.4 millimeter. So definitely it is not a standard value. So the standard value of the thickness you can take 4 mm standard value, and after the standard value, now if it is a ferrous metal, okay, it contains iron. So now adding corrosion allowances value of thickness equal to 4 plus 2 mm equal to 6 mm. Or you can do it, you can add here the corrosion value. Okay, the calculated value plus corrosion value. Suppose it will become 5.4. Now you go for the standard value, that is the 6 mm. And what is the standard value of the thickness? So a chart is there. Okay, a chart is there. So I should mention the thickness. Okay, thickness. So anyway, I will give it the value. Okay, I will give the value for the thickness in the your WhatsApp group. Okay, once I get the chart, so I will mention the few values. Okay, of the thickness, standard thickness. So calculated value plus corrosion allowance is equal to this much, and go for the standard. That's all. और कुछ नहीं है. If optimization problem comes, you read what on with respect to what parameter you have to do the differentiations, and you have to find the final equations or the final equations based on that parameter. Suppose you want to minimize the cost of pressure vessel based on your fabrication. So fabrication cost per square meter. So on that basis you have to construct the equation. If it is based on the metal prices, so metal prices will be given. So based on that you have to find out the equations. So like this, on which parameter, on which basis you are going to find the minimum cost. So according to construct the equation and then go for the derivation with compared to the derivation with respect to the d or r, whatever. So this is the main problem. And one thing I must you can get help from the formula. So no need to remember the formula, fine, but you cannot sit in the examination with your books or notes. Mind it. You cannot sit with your books or notes. You are not allowed to appear exam with your books or notes. So what will you do? You will write whatever the formula you have in a A4 size page. Okay, you can write down the formulas in only single A4 size page. I think that is enough. You can write all the formulas, and you can only take this A4 size formula with you. No book, no notes, nothing. Okay, so is it clear? So one of CR, Pritesh or anybody
Yes, sir.
can make a formula chart in a A4 on a single A4. I am mentioning again A4 sheet, and can share this soft copy with other student. Okay, so you have enough time. 24th, today is just 14th. So you prepare the formula sheet and share. Also share with me. Okay, and circulate it. So they will take a printout, I think, or even not printout. They will write the same formula in another A4 sheet. So you can do this. So don't worry about that, but don't take books or notes with you. So that's all. और कुछ पूछना था तो व्हाट्सएप में पूछ लेना, अभी भी बहुत टाइम है. ठीक है. So we will no classes before the exam. So this is the last. Any problem, so you can ask me in WhatsApp. Fine. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
अच्छा,
sir.
attendance ले
Yes,
लेते हैं, just a minute.